This is where we
Yeah,
all...
this is called a little bit of a traffic jam. You having fun?
Oh yeah. What is this guy? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's policeman coming now. Whoops.
Yeah.
Can we just come on, people? Now that he's out of the way. Thank you. Murakoze. Policeman comes when it's all over. Too late. Oh, you can blow your whistle now. Go ahead. Now that it's all. This guy.
Oh, now we get to watch it all. Political meeting could probably restore the analysis.
Now this is a local telephone company, Tigo, doing a promotion.
Drama.
Yeah.
Well,